Nam je kan sa no na ye bete sikwan ni more than some na bro na me person me beautiful lines find the power 5 be now that say no dey confirm they say koto to ado onko agana form kasa ye kire o to ado are e wo AFCON qualifier but still yes what na Alex Stone, right time and your affair. Professor Wallace, Bernard Paddy will be producers. Yano Kaiden Nankasa Kegyiwa ho. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Young Makwaba Yentisi Quenimna, Yan Fansamno, and Twason Famao.
Adom Sports number one.
And some may be a phone lines are more permanent me patrol. Unim sir na ye train na wa train yemwa. Say why and na take over the Ministry of Sports. Say sports and recreation. Na ye train di me beto toja na ana enye confirm na ye Romeo say ura Kofi Adams neba mpa o mapania confirm no say wono na waboni din na wa friend no to na na samanwu ama no mabodi na mafre wo. Sa nei ye toto na no na bibia to mo no na be take over men ka the last time e ko toto obi ano aye ka se ma na nya minister ti ni Kofi Adams aboni din no obeto aso abadwuma sa ne ade na eno na Kofi Adams honorable adin nsam to dwa kire mu say sports ministry ho ba no nya say sabe ni trimu fita cha say anase ni trimu hwe onim hwe sa o
feel that ukoho with a clear mind, ukoho with a clear heart, ukoho now we are very open and transparent. I think you can offer appropriate leadership. Men koho with the mindset say because maybe sika o honti mi kwa kopebi no, if money is budget is done for the purposes of sports, whatever field it is, fasikano koho. This whole thing about you say you release budget. Now Black Queens we kwa kobo games. Now sika o say mo hono na eyinko ha. Say emma ya ma bibia nye clear say emma ya omusunya santi ase. They say abadia it must get to them. Let's get to omo amunti ya wo ho before awo obeje with you. I don't think that in managing sports, the management team should pay themselves their per diems when even the playing body it should not be the case.
Ora Kofi Adams nen samwa wade atu dwane no right anti ye be se ne waka ne ga sa se wo prime pa na wade prime ne banti ye be se ne prime no so be sia ko na yaka ne sa ya abutie no na ye be bisa se wo bai no wo be hwe se obetumi abadwuma na bibia tima ko ye san se we a very very challenging ministry.
The responsibility in sir. And one say you are offering leadership, you are managing various persons. And you be to me and hope say Nyankupon be then Bishiraye Ama. Oh, of course, but everywhere there are challenges. That's what man is for. Every leader must be prepared to face challenges. In Ghana, sports is part of Ghanaians love sports. So all you need to do is say you bring them closer to it. So performance now is an opportunity say obema odoa a pair or mu ma a dono soye then emrasa.
Yo, way any and someone. Kofi Adams say children. You better send an ejuma be siako, but ye can say no be brave. Now what train say new sports minister by there. Nanka utoa nano anyadi into tunko. Tunko. Nia but honorable sports minister say no GF and fa coach you. GF and fa coach see the Montombo mano, Montombo dia but around dia be executive council member na ya boni din say koko motomu ono na ko prepare ni dia. Around dia be say they have taken a decision to keep Otuado.
FA is taking a decision already. I think the FA is keeping Otuado. There are going to be some changes in terms of the backroom staff, and those were some of the things that the FA informed us about. But the FA is keeping Otuado.
Okay, but my main target, the Yamamu target, certain target, Amamo, is it about the World Cup? And
well, I think that immediately, is about the World Cup qualifiers that starts in March, and to ensure, say, the poor trend of results that are leading to a non-qualification to the AFCON, will be able to change course. And put the Black Stars back on a winning path, starting with the games. He's taking a decision already. I think the FA is keeping Otuado. There are going to be some changes in terms of
way and someone around the thing and Randy Abe and I told you I said backroom staff on the change, but Otuado is staying as it stands now. na meka no mamenya ne twa butu nsan kofa owura Kofi Adam sa wabai wo owura se enye Black Stars pe na sports o say ya mama be sports minister na Black Stars pe amode na Black Stars coach be say me ko mu
that time that we get every day will be used strategically for the goodness of sports. All sports, not only football or Black Star. Sports is not football, sports is not Black Stars. Sports go beyond football, and football should go beyond Black Stars. But of course, Black Stars is the ultimate. So we want to see our Black Stars back again, like the Nigerian president said when he came around here, that Black Star is rising again. The Black Stars of Ghana, for me indirectly, was what he was referencing in his statement, though he was talking about Ghana and the African continent. Black Stars have their money, Black Queens have their management. Badminton has their management. Athletics have their associations. They have even different forms. Other lesser sports, boxing. As a sports minister, you are responsible to all of this. You are not only responsible to Black Stars.
Ayo, yate tidiaka kakone dia John Peso, Fatal Dauda, Joseph Lema munyina no ebe pamo mo sanse oto report mo kire mo se we hia beef say beefy the backroom staff from na bibia so etimi koye na bibia but ye kan sa national teams ne wona menena mo dia Black Stars so na 17 na wo mo chese no ababeto dwa se Frimpong Manson ne aboni din say new coach of the Black Stars under 17 no ura Frimpong Manson say fisi aboni din say ya friend no on say dan kasa ye bia sa ne ade Frimpong sports page one kasa.
We all need to do it in the same style, the same way, so that the transitions will not be a problem. From 15 moving to 20, and then they will not have problems. Yeah, we need to. We've already had 3 things, and then we couldn't move forward. So this time around, we'll have to make sure that we will be able to qualify. You know, it's very important. It's not only about developing players. We also need to achieve something. In that doing so, I think people, because everybody wants our team to win cups, Black Stars to qualify to World Cup under 23, 20. So we cannot always be talking about development, forgetting about qualification. So I think we also need to target qualification this time.
Adom Sports, number one.
Right, Coach Frimpong Manson Ghana na 17 team. A coach no actually more say trophies so here na 17 over say kwan bia so betimi a qualify dia ko anima ko wese ne nsem so ebesi akọ ansa na ebe so social so mame ese enra na transfer window no kunkun ya tum we bi ya business ebi so tena ho ya hwehan kotokofo etumi ye busy wonye busy kwame poku be pie mu kwasi asante by Daniel Adrian Ajate abe pie mu Isaac Mintaso ba Samson Eduku so abe pie mu e wa asante kotoko enza njem keto akora kotoko se second round no de masa nobody should come near kwasi asante so abe pie mu e wa asante kotoko a easy kura na ebi wo atum experience ne wo ho kwasi asante Simba no mu ne aye Hafia Club of Guinea mu nyina obobi penti wo ba kotoko no the experience pa na eba enye easy kura house of folk and said anya busy anti clubs na aka bi no mtoto bi wurawura mu ane ade a Stone Boy ninu yaketo ade din edi Elijah Selassie Satekla ene Lagos City sefo ne na wia ninu yeto nwom no so gina mu bone wadema Lagos City sa ene wansama no ba de ba ko a Abranti Osina kan edema bibiani Gold Stars Vincent Atinga former best player of the Ghanaian Premier League wadi to dwane se ade a players pa wo Ghana no o makatu anye nya ntenu tuba na we to kwan but now we have to kwan akwantu bi wa team say emu na okodo pa so beko
minimum salary like maybe let me say from maybe 1,000 going if you can pay a player 1,000 Ghana cedi or 1,000 from 1,000 upwards. See, it's very difficult when it comes to money issue. It's very difficult because one some of us we rent, we buy fuel, we do all sort of things, and if the salary is no good, if you get any contract in Tanzania, in any of the countries, and you go and like you take like maybe for example $500, $600, it's huge amount of money when you convert it into cedis. So definitely the person will leave because I have colleagues. We are all playing the same league, but I have colleagues which most of the time I normally sort them out. They can call me, oh, senior, this. But yeah, he's my colleague. I understand him. So I think if there will be maybe a minimum wage or something like that, I think it will help.
And someone Abranti friend Vincent Atinga defender be Gold Stars or the Tuga. na wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔno kwa ne sɔto ne nua no mu bi ato bi ho kyerɛ mo paa ɛwɔ Ghana Premier League mu anya asɛm ketewa koraa tam na bukɔɔfo ɛbɛkɔ na hyɛ ne soma me sɛ no UEFA Champions League Leipzig agya na so Sporting Lisbon by 2-1 Shakhtar Donetsk winning 2-0 over Brest. AC Milan Girona 1-0 last night was Zagreb 3-0. Celtic bought Young Boys by a goal. Final they winning 3-0 over Bayern Munich, shocking results. And Paris Saint-Germain bought Man City by 4-2. Obiana City are taking lead by 2-0. Tetwami have a hand 4-2. Real Madrid is also at in them. Ebo Salzburg by 5-1. And Sparta Prague Etna Fema Inter Bebo ne Kabakwa went to me anti waiting Sunny eti Ekoye. Sete table no to say yes, Real Madrid and City move Liverpool now taking lead 21. Barca second with 16, 18 rather. Arsenal third with 16. Inter Milan fourth with 16. Fifth Atletico de Madrid. Sixth AC Milan. Seventh Atalanta. And eighth Leverkusen. We will bet qualify automatically. No more this swab and swab by playoff. Never be at Miakoyaka. 1-1 game about Bobo. Niaras and one seven so ABC live on Adom 106.3 FM. Europa League course with him said Manchester United Bebo. Hey, United in here. Yes, and Nemo Bashimba Biu. Munjamo. Yes, Roma. Kwa way to years attack ma Porto ni Olympiacos match na nya bad Fenerbahce and Leon Hoffenheim ni Tottenham Hotspur na Mamo FF ni FC 20 Eintracht Frankfurt Ferencvárosi na fe kupimo Manchester United ni Rangers and the Pim so RFS ni Ajax and so at the bo any ni na mu de be pm bia no ye fan camera the be the Australian Open is on and the man no ehwe no ma yomo semi final na fio me man so de no chena ye be yesa na so be see akom FPAC BX tablets and ponsen for the can when some bro FPAC when am ya ba ko BX tablets be ja be du Sani MTN everywhere go MTN up no so woni bi o phone so patcho bi ngo so da bibia ye MTN so no so ne ye no e do dan chen DBS Industries Limited DBS roofing papa fee DBS o bosso am free eti so o si dan wi am DBS for me boss ma Betway for the love of the game Betway when you tran kwan dia be di Betway na ye be diska e de agu botom e wo Betway amaka ho ne nsam no e brewo kai sa wo de nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi ko so ati adwa so nsam